Buongiorno, paisanos! Ever wonder why our New Year's resolution to lose weight doesn't work? Well, I'll give you the reason. We're Italian. What does that have to do with it? Because every Sunday we get together and the first thing we do is eat. Sundays, as everybody knows, is pasta day. And the minute you walk into your parents' house or your in-laws' house or your grandmother's house, you don't even get to the table. They're shoving food down your throat. Famiglia, aspetta che tu non ti di carne. Mangiasti? Ora mangiamo, ma te, piedi un pizzico di pane. You're eating constantly. And as if that's not enough, they give you the leftovers and Tupperwares for the rest of the week in case you starve. Because they're not there to shove food down your throat. And then, they even have the audacity to say, ma mi pare che ti ingrassaste, Randicchia, perché non fa poco di dieta? Well, geez, stop shoving food down my throat. And if you tell them, stai facendo un poco di dieta. Come? A dieta? Perché non ti piace mangiare meglio? They get offended. That's why we're all a little chubby. But you know what? There's more of us to love. It doesn't matter what size you are. It doesn't matter what you look on the outside, because it's what's on the inside that counts. Remember that. Never put yourself down. Love yourself. The bigger you are, the better it is to love, because you're more cushioned and you're more comfortable. Ciao, ciao.